Welcome back to the channel. Racer X here, and today I'm actually going to show you something very cool for the new Mustang, especially on the interior. So I got one of my new sponsors on board. I've actually had this stuff since I had my blue car. Those of you that follow my channel know that I recently crashed my twin turbo Mustang GT, and of course now I have this awesome red one, courtesy of my buddy Travis over at Gearheads. They're actually the ones that did the work on that car. So we're rebuilding. This is 2.0. Got a lot of stuff coming for this car, but today we're going to focus on the interior. So definitely want to show you some stuff on that. If you're new to my channel, do me a huge favor, hit subscribe down there at the bottom, and we are off.
T-minus 15 seconds.
So here is the interior of my 2020 Mustang GT. Yes, this is a lot more basic than my last car, obviously with the Recaros and all that kind of stuff, but there's going to be a lot of stuff coming, so bear with me here, guys. But today we've got a carbon fiber inlay that's going to kind of go all across the interior. I can't wait to show you all the stuff here. And here is what was sent in. Now, I've actually had this package for like 6 weeks, so all this was actually supposed to go on my blue car. Luckily, I did not put it on my blue car, and now because I didn't put it on the car, I can put it on this car. So I'm actually really pleased to bring this to you. So all sorts of different things in this package right here. I've got to get all this stuff out, unbox it all so I can show you what all we're talking about, and it should be pretty neat. So as you can see, I've already started sort of the unboxing process. Lots of little boxes in that particular package, so I'll keep working on these. But I just kind of want to show you really quick, you know, when you start taking a hard look at this stuff, you can see kind of that carbon fiber weave there. It's actually beautiful. And all of this stuff is measured absolutely perfectly to fit inside this car. So I'm actually really looking forward to showing you guys kind of just some of the install on this. I won't do the whole thing. Obviously, it may take me a little while to install all this, but I cannot wait to show you what the car looks like when it is done. Now, I've got most of this stuff completely unboxed, so you can see I've kind of got it all sort of laid out here. There's actually a lot more here than you probably can see, but a lot of different things here really to transform the entire interior on this Mustang. So I'm super excited to kind of get to work. Each little piece, I'm very meticulous, so I want to make sure it lines up perfect. Well, I went ahead and cut this one out so you can kind of get a good look at just how nice this looks. And of course, on the back side, it is easy as just kind of peel and stick. So really, you can see that's kind of a pliable material here. And it really is just meant to enhance the look of the inside of your vehicle. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on all this good stuff, and we'll see how things progress. So as you can see, I went ahead and put kind of one piece up here already, and you can see it kind of goes. Now, it's not actually attached, it's still, but you can see just how well this thing is cut. And of course, I'll go ahead and peel everything off here. We'll go ahead and stick it up there. Obviously, I've got another piece here that I'm getting ready to put in right here, so you can see kind of how that goes up in there like that. And it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but I'll get that up there. I'll kind of show you what it looks like when it's all said and done. So I'm going to put several pieces in place here, and you can kind of see how it's starting to change form. And there you have it. I've got both of these two pieces already installed. It took me all of about 5 minutes. And I got to mention, obviously, you want to make sure that the surface is really nice and clean that you're putting this on. Do a really good job of kind of pushing everything in. Just take your time with it. Make sure everything is really kind of pushed in nice and flush. Take your time. And I tell you what, man, what a difference already. Just those two pieces. I'm so excited to get this whole thing on for you. But yeah, even this one, it wasn't hard at all to put on. Like I said, you just kind of have to take your time with it. Make sure everything lines up really nice, but it looks absolutely fantastic. So we're moving on. So I've got a couple pieces actually installed on the door already, and just look how nice they fit on here. It's really interesting kind of the way that this thing feels. It feels kind of nice. It's actually super easy to clean as well. But look at how nice this actually fits on here. So really nice job by these guys when it comes to actually the fitment on this. And I actually went ahead and put this in here too. This is pretty neat. It comes for all the vents in here. I mean, man, it fits in there so nice. A little bit tedious to kind of get it on at first, but you know, it really is on there really nice, and it does add another nice dimension. Of course, fully functional. Everything works great. I just got done installing two of the bigger pieces of the kit. Actually, it starts all the way up here, and you can see it kind of wraps around all the way around here. And then, of course, there's a piece that comes here and goes down as well. And I am really impressed with the way this thing fits. Of course, I got my fingerprints all over it, which I'll wipe off here in just a little bit. But man, this thing is coming together so nice. Just check out the look of this thing. Well, unfortunately, I'm starting to lose my my light outside, but I've got it probably about 80% there. So in the morning, I'm going to get up. Hopefully it's not raining again, and I will be able to completely finish out the kit, get it wiped down for you, and give you one final look at just how beautiful the final product is with one of these kits. I'm really looking forward to it. So see you guys in the morning. All right, well, it is officially the next day, but I've been spending some time on the car actually working on all the little bitty parts, making sure they all go in there absolutely perfect. I'm pretty meticulous, but it's all done, and I cannot tell you how excited I am to show it to you. It came out absolutely fantastic. So let me just go ahead and show you what we're looking at here. So first off, we have the door that's all finished out. I did show you that yesterday. There's actually a piece that even goes in here. So, I mean, it just looks really finished and polished. And as I mentioned before, this is actually real carbon fiber on this. It's kind of pliable, which is nice, but it's impervious to the sun. It also is impervious to kind of like staining and weather. I mean, it's just a really nice product. And you can see it goes all the way down here. It goes onto the dash, all the way across over the vents, and even right up here. Now, when you get over here, you can see it's even on the vents, which is pretty darn cool. Even the little kind of bezel around the vents, they really did their homework on this thing. So you can see the entire kit as it's in here. Look at the center section, how nice it is. I mean, everything really came out beautiful. Let me go to the other side and show you there. So from this side, once again, you do have the same pieces kind of on the door here. And of course, as we jump up here to the dash, you can see this piece right here actually came out really, really nice. You've even got pieces up here on both sides. It kind of comes around, and you can see it even goes down right here. I mean, what a fantastic fit and finish. I'm very, very excited about this product. They even sent me some of this stuff here. This is actually to clean your carbon fiber with, to make sure it kind of keeps all the smudges and all that kind of stuff off of here. But it really does add kind of a lustrous finish to the inside of this car. You can see even in here, you've got pieces that go here. You've got one here. It kind of goes around. That's actually a separate piece there. So a lot of different pieces to put on. So it did take a little bit of time, but now that it's all in, I am just completely stoked with the fit of this thing. Now, before I forget, Dyna Performance does actually make a couple other pieces that you don't see in here as well. They make some fantastic steering wheels, so stay tuned. Also, over here, you can see they've got kind of like an e-brake piece. There's actually a couple other pieces they make for the doors that aren't on my car right now. They've got one that kind of goes right here. So lots of different options on this. So here is kind of the important thing about this kit, and I think it looks absolutely fantastic in the Mustang. But even if you're not a Mustang guy, say you're a Corvette guy, a Camaro guy, a Mopar guy, whether it's a Charger, a Challenger, whatever, they make kits for all of those cars. So if you like the way this carbon fiber kit came out, you can simply go to their website, Dyna Performance, and you can order it. And you can actually order it as an entire kit. You can order it piece by piece, really whatever your budget will dictate. So you don't have to do it all at once, and you can kind of pick and choose the pieces that you like. Another great feature about this kit from Dyna Performance. So I'm super stoked that they were able to send me this. I can't wait to bring you more from this company. And that about does it for the Dyna Performance carbon fiber interior kit. What an absolutely fantastic result. I could not be happier. And as I mentioned, you can kind of get it pretty much on any car that you have, regardless of the trim level. They've got tons of stuff. So check out their website, guys. Cannot wait to bring you more stuff on this car. There's a lot of stuff on the way. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below, and I will catch you on the next one. So until then, Racer X.